Hello everyone, welcome back again to On How channel. My name is Anas, I'm working for you. So if you have any questions or any requests, make sure to drop on below in a comment or check out my Instagram right here below me. I do reply to each comment. If you are wondering again why is that, because simply I'm working for you. And in this video, I will show you how to change the text color or any section for your Shopify store. And I did a lot of videos when it comes to changing the color, even the hover color for the menu. As you can see, the Shopify store right here is down theme. It doesn't have the hover menu. Once I hover over the mouse, with the mouse over the menu, it will show a different color. And I did this for a lot of things, not just that. For example, changing the background color for the menu in here, as well as the text color. When it comes to changing color, as I said, I made a lot of videos. And for example, the Shopify store is the down theme. And the regular down theme doesn't look anything like this. And all the things you see in here in this Shopify store, I did them in tutorials. For example, the video banner right here with the button and so on, as well as transparent header with the video for the banner is playing underneath the header, as you can see, which looks really professional and branded most importantly, so you can stand out from the competition. And not just that, I made a lot of videos about the things that you cannot do from the theme customizer. Even removing the underlines. Once you hover over them, as you can see, it does show an underline underneath the header menu right here. I did make a video on how to remove that underline, and not just for the header menu in here, as well as the footer links. For example, in here, it does show an underline as well. I did remove that just in my previous video. And as well as setting a background picture for the footer of your Shopify store as well. I mean, a lot of videos that you will not find anywhere else. And all the things I do show, I do provide the code for them in the description box completely free, without paying or anything like that. You just have to click on it and it will take you to the link where you're gonna see the code or whatever I did use for demonstration. The only thing I'm asking for is just what the banner says in here. Just a like, please. And it's optional actually. Just wait and watch this video. If the video helped you out, help me out pressing that like button. I would really appreciate it. It will take you like a millisecond and it will make my day actually. So I would really appreciate it for the sake of this sad emoji right here. But let's just quit talking and let's get to it and show you how to change the text for the text color, for any section on your Shopify store. For example, I do have a section I believe in here. For example, this one, and this will work for every section. I already have other sections that I did some things for example, setting the background for only a section. I did make that video as well, changing the color for only a section, as well as gradient color for only a section. I mean, a lot of videos that you cannot find anywhere else. But for this video, as I said, I will show you how to change the text color for any section, and including this one I'll be using for demonstration. And I will change both actually. The text color for the headings in here, as you can see, which says talk about your brand, as well as the text below it for the color for it. And then we will set different color for each one of these. And the first thing you're going to do is obviously access the Shopify dashboard. And obviously I'm gonna keep this page open, Shopify store, and we will do the trick and come back in here, reload the page, and we will see the changes. Actually, we would see the changes without even coming back in here. Anyway, so let's just get to it. Access Shopify dashboard, as I said. After that, click on the online store from the left menu. Then click on customize button right here to go to the theme customizer, because that's where we're gonna do the trick. And after that, it will take us to the theme customizer. And as I said, this you cannot do from the regular theme. There is no option to change the color for the text. Actually, we will do something really special. For example, as I said, we will be doing demonstration on this one right here. So once you access the theme customizer, the first thing you're going to do is obviously click on the whole section that you want to change the color for. For example, in my case, as I said, I'm going to change the color for this one. So make sure to click on the whole section in here. After that, it will show you this banner right here for the settings, or the options that you want to customize the section for. And the last option should be right here, which is custom CSS, as you can see. And this option exists for every Shopify section on your store. For example, even this one right here, which has a gradient color here, is custom CSS, which is the thing I did use actually to add a gradient color to it. Every section has this custom CSS, and you will find it at the bottom of the options, the last option in the right panel. And after you did click on it, it will show you this part right here. We can paste in a code or type in a code. The next thing you're going to do is, as always, scroll down the description box and you will see a link, name it as code. And again, you don't have to pay for it or anything like that. As I said, simply click on it. Then it will take you to this page right here where you're gonna see a very short code, as you can see. So this is 6 lines of code and it's really short. So simply select the code in here, and this is a CSS code, by the way, and right click and copy. After that, get back to this section right here, custom CSS, and simply paste it in here. And here we go. As you can see, the color did change for the both, actually, the heading as well as the text, the paragraph. So obviously you need to change this hex color. This is a code for the color. So the first one stands for H2, as you can see, which is the heading right here. If it didn't work for the heading, make sure to change this to H1 or H3 instead of H2. So that depends on the headings that be used by the section, but in my case it's the H2, so keep that in mind. And for the div right here, the div is for the paragraphs right here. So the paragraph is red, so let's just select the red, for example, in here, and simply copy the code and simply paste it in Google search engine, and it will show you this widget right here. And here it is. So let's just go for something green like this, and let's just go for something brighter, and after that simply copy this code right here by clicking on this button and get back in here and replace the previous code, which is the color. So let's just paste in a new one, and here it is. As you can see, it did change the color. So let's just click on save, and after that get back Shopify store and reload the page, and we will see the changes. And here we go, as you can see. So this is how you change the text color for every Shopify section on your Shopify store. And as I said, I'm working for you. So if you have any questions or any video requests, make sure to drop them below in a comment or check out my Instagram right here below me. I do reply to each comment. If you are wondering again why is that, because simply I'm working for you. Otherwise, I think my job is done for this video. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.